The Exploration of Shangani Culture, a documentary series which explores the vibrant Shangani culture, looking at the rich traditions, beliefs and heritage of the Tsonga people, also known as Vahlengwe in Zimbabwe. The production will delve into a diverse range of topics that define these people in the southeastern Lowveld of Zimbabwe. This documentary series is being produced by the Lowveld Media Trust in partnership with Culture Fund of Zimbabwe under the Creative Actions program supported by the European Union Delegation to Zimbabwe.
Mambalele lawa akomba uTsonga, mina na tinyungubyisa hikuva Mutsonga.
Avete kereke. Van'wana va mabwana usiku na ku bwana tiso manje. Ku vona mababwe ndzinene, unyamuka van'wanyana. A tsutsuma vuya ka mina.
Rich traditions of the Shangani people are a source of pride and inspiration to our nation.
Kukwala ningasangula kona nitswalwe kolomo aniyangi ni yaku nilaku yafunda kutonda Hlengwe kumbe XiTsonga ninochifunda nahi Hlengwe na Mtsongwana.
I also got my name. I'm Hlengani.
Vahlahlu va tihlolo va ku ni kokwani va yena ni hahani va yena.
It's a misconception to call them Shangani because not all of them are descended to Shangani.
There's a theory that the piercing of the ears was the form of an identity.
Kaya I chikombedzi chagwaliwa sweswi niwe pilot ni tira nile Harare.
Kama siku yokutenga timhaka abandla rakahozigezana.
The Zimbabwean government is very cognizant of our diversity.